Hey Jujuka, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool right here, and pretty much what this is extension pole or tripod option that's used for GoPro device. If you guys can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular, they mentioned how it can extend it up to 28 inch. They do have another option available that can go up to 19 inch, which is a little bit shorter than this one. But here is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, here's what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, inside they do provide a screw option for the screw it onto the product. And then here is what the product looks like. So they do give you guys a wrist strap option to put it onto your wrist for a much more secure fit when you guys do use it, which is really nice. For this part on top is where you guys can mount the GoPro. For this part right here, it does give you guys a very good grip. And then for this part right here is where it extends out up to 28 inch. So the way how to use it is just twisting it and just extend it. And keep twisting if you guys want to extend it even longer. So that is how far it can go. If you see how it does fall back down, and the reason why is because you don't lock it. So what you do is twist to lock it, so just like this. So once you guys do that, now it's locked in. If you see how it does not fall back down. So you can see for the part, it definitely goes pretty far, much further than the 19 inch option. And the way how they designed it is water resistant and waterproof. So instead of bringing this product underneath the water to record in the water, feel free to do so. But once you guys are done using it, you guys want to twist it to release it back down. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. And you guys want to make sure to lock it back in so that it won't fall out. So that is everything that's on the product. Now let's put on the GoPro to show you guys what it looks like. So right here I do have my GoPro. If you guys open the bottom and insert it in. Once you guys got it in, you guys unlock it in. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. So once you guys set it all up, now you guys are ready to start using it. And the way how to design it supports GoPro or any other device that you guys can use for this part here. And we guys to extend it. If you see how it does support the weight that's on here. So the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys will need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality selfie stick that you can use for doing selfie videos or recording stuff underwater, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.